What is up, everybody? Ryan Lane with Lane's Barbecue, and today we are talking brisket, one of our favorites, and pimento cheese grits. So as you know, we've been doing Biscuit Fridays for the last 3 or 4 years, and more people come up and they're looking for different options, whether it be like a low carb option, something without the biscuit. We're like, we all love grits, right? We all love brisket. And so we were thinking either shrimp and grits. Not sure if that would work for the morning. We're going to try it anyways. But we always have brisket on hand. So we thought we'd go with brisket and pimento cheese grits. So we've got some of our favorites here. First up, we got to get the water cooking. So that's what we're going to do. Instead of water, though, we're going to go with chicken stock. So we're going to do 4 cups of chicken stock. Get that on the grill, get it heated up. I'm going to do 4 cups of stock to 1 cup of grits. We'll get that hot and then we'll mix those grits in. All right, we've got these stone ground grits, the Rock House Farms. These are actually milled and packed at Farmview Market, which is about 30-45 minutes from us over in Madison, Georgia. So we're trying to stick with our local friends today while making these, since Biscuit Friday for us is a Georgia thing. So we got our brisket, we got the Satisfied Foods. If you guys haven't had this right here, this is their OG. So it's just straight up like pimento cheese like that we make. This though, right here, chorizo pimento cheese. They call it the preacher. It does preach. It's fantastic. This with shrimp, man, crazy good. And then of course we got our, all right guys, little sweet, little smoky, whole lot of goodness. And then as you guys know, I'm kind of a pepper junkie. So we got to finish it off with some black pepper at the end. All right, guys, now that I stopped, took some time to read the instructions, I realized that you actually got to put this in, go ahead and mix in the grits while we bring it to a boil. Then once it's boiling, we can add our cream and everything. So we're getting those added while we're bringing that temp up. Hey, it's always a good idea. Stop, take a minute, read the instructions. All right, while we're getting these grits going, we're gonna take some of our chopped up brisket that we have. Got a cast iron skillet on here. So all we've done is just season this with salt, pepper, garlic. So we're just gonna add a little bit more, get those flavors carried around. Let that heat up. Perfect, stir it every couple minutes. All right, guys, it's been, say 5 or 6 minutes. The grill's been rolling around 450 degrees. Look, we got this, the grits are starting to come to a boil. We can start seeing them here. Look at the brisket starting to come back to life, warming through. We got that butter, that salt, pepper, garlic in there. We're getting close, guys. This is something, once you have the brisket already cooked, it's something you can whip up really quick. All this can be done inside as well. So if you're just cooking on a stovetop, but it is a beautiful day. We thought it'd be cool to be outside. Layers of flavor. Oh yeah. All right, guys, grits been boiling. They're just about ready. We're gonna add some butter, some heavy cream, about a cup of heavy cream. And then we've got some unsalted butter there. We're gonna go with Satisfied Food, the OG. This is just their straight up pimento cheese. So we're gonna get a chunk in there. There we go. Now we're just gonna keep stirring until this all gets incorporated. Almost time to eat. It's almost thick enough. Close time to eat. Something I love when the weather's getting cooler, doing these one pot meals. I don't know, to me that just screams family. So all eating around the table, sharing stories about the day. And brisket. Come on, guys. No one's upset when brisket's around. All right, guys, I'm not sure if you guys have tried our 16 mesh black pepper yet. Perfect size, looks awesome in the meal, fresh cracked. It's got a nice bite. Awesome. Easy just to add. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we want to eat these before the flies do. So, time to get it wrapped up. We've got our grits. They've already finished on the grill. We're letting them cool a little bit. Now we've got our brisket right here. Check this out. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good. We got a couple slices too. Pop these on there. A couple more little dollops of pimento cheese. Don't say we don't eat our vegetables. Look, we got some green onions right on top. Then some of our sort of white sauce, a little drizzle. If you haven't checked out our brisket recipe, you can cue back, check out that video. Once you got it made, this is something if you got a little bit left over to knock out. Simple and easy grits, pimento cheese. Tony, here, I'll let you guys have the first bite. Mmm.